Punjab Innovation and Technology Expo 2025 is going to take place on April 21st. This is jointly organized by Punjab Higher Education Commission and Higher Education Department, along with more than 10 partner academic institutions. There is no second opinion that innovation, technology development, and original thinking, these are hallmarks of higher education. So therefore, I'm really excited to be part of this activity, and I urge students, faculty members, and in fact anyone who is interested in education and research to be part of this great event. And I wish the organizers best of luck. Thank you very much.
Stay tuned to education updates for all educational content. Join our YouTube and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Thank you.